Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a bed for Gigi Grant. So the first step is to make the base and the top of the bed. So for that I'm using some plates, and I'm just going to trace around the foam board to get my shape. So for the bottom base I'm using a smaller plate, and for the top of the base or the bed I'm using this bigger plate. So I'll just trace around it, cut out the foam board, and then also with your foam board just cut out some strips, so they just basically so they're as long as the plate, and then cut two out, and the second one just cut in half, and we're going to have the long one going that way and then two short ones going that way, so it looks like a cross. Okay, once the glue has dried, we can go ahead and start padding the top of the bed. So what I've done is cut out a few handy towels and layered them. I'm just going to place it on top of the bed like that, and I've also just cut out a piece of material, and I'm just going to staple that into place. So I'll just wrap it around underneath and then just staple all the way around. Okay, I've just gone ahead and stapled the fabric onto the main base. Now what I'm going to do is get a long piece of fabric, and I've just started it, so I'm just stapling it underneath the base there, and I'm just going to staple it all the way around, and then I'll staple it on the bottom as well. Okay, so I've just gone around with the fabric and stapled that into place, and what I'm going to do now is just get some pink ribbon, and I'm just going to glue that to around the diameter of the bed like that. Okay, the next step is to cut out a piece of foam board, and that's going to act as the supporting beam at the back of the bed like that. And then what I'm going to do is get another piece and glue it on like that. And then I'm going to glue the circle shape on top, and then we're just going to drape the fabric over it. For a bit of extra support I'm just going to use these squares, and I'm just going to cut them, glue them into place like that. So this is what it looks like when it's glued together. So that's my long piece of foam, that's the shorter piece, and I've just used those two squares as supports and glued those into place, and then I've just glued the round piece at the top there. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that to the back of the bed like that. Okay, I've just gone ahead and glued that onto the back of the bed, and now the next step is because I've just cut out this design out of sparkly paper, and I'm just going to glue that to the front of the bed like that. Okay, now the glue is dried and my design is set in place. The next step is to get some fabric, and this is going to basically drape over the bed. So I've just got a strip of black and a strip of pink. I'm just going to overlay them on top of each other, and then we can just drape it over the bed. Okay, and the last thing is to make some pillows, and the easiest way to make these if you don't have a sewing machine is just cut a piece of foam board out and get some handy towels or tissues, and just use that as padding, and then just overlay your material and then just staple it in place. And I'm using blue and orange, and all these colours I've used, the pink, the blue and the orange are all sort of basically what Gigi is wearing and the colour of her hair. So I'll go and set this up. So guys, this is the bed complete. What I've also done is, after draping the fabric over the stand I made, I've just added this orange ribbon around as well, and just placed the cushions on the bed. So that is the bed. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you next time with something new.